In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk upload images to Shopify without using CSV import. If you're looking to streamline your product image uploading process on Shopify, you're in the right place. We all know that efficiency is key when managing your online store, and having a quick way to upload multiple product images can save you lots of precious time. So, let's dive in and see how we can make this process smooth and hassle-free. First, make sure all your product images are organized and ready for upload. It's crucial that each image file matches the name of the product or SKU in your Shopify store. This not only helps in recognizing which image corresponds to which product but also makes the process seamless. Double-check that your images are of high quality and in a standard format like JPEG or PNG for the best results on your online storefront. Now, head over to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard that serves as the command center for your Shopify store. Navigate to the Products section on your left sidebar. This is where all your products are listed. Have a quick scan to see that your product list corresponds with your image files. The next step is to select multiple products to which you'd like to add images. You can do this by ticking the checkboxes next to each product. Once you have your desired products selected, look for the Actions drop-down menu, typically found near the top of your product list. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, you'll want to select Add Images. This action opens up your File Manager, your portal to upload images directly to your chosen products. Now, it's time to bring in those images. In the File Manager, locate the folder where your product images are stored on your computer. You can select multiple files by holding down the Control key if you're using Windows or the CMD key if you're on a Mac as you click on each file. When you've selected all the images you want to upload, click the Open or Upload button in the File Manager. Once the upload is complete, Shopify will start assigning those images to the respective products. It's a good idea to take a moment to double-check that each image has been correctly matched and uploaded. Go through your product list and look at the thumbnail preview for each product to ensure everything appears as it should. If an error has occurred, you can easily remove an image and repeat the process for any products that might have been missed. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to bulk upload images to your Shopify store without needing to fiddle around with CSV imports. Remember, keeping your product images organized and ensuring their high quality will always help maintain a professional-looking store. I hope that you found this guide helpful and that you can now easily manage your product images on Shopify. Happy selling!